There'll be weaknesses in this team. I think they leave themselves a little bit exposed, PSG, and Arsenal need to go after that. We feel the second leg is the most important leg, or rather this home leg was being played second, because I think there's something in that. I think PSG are favourites to win it.
What we're going to see in this Champions League semi-final, over 2 legs, of course, Arsenal and PSG. This is doable for your boys, isn't it?
Yeah, I think if you can beat Real Madrid in the way that Arsenal did, then you go into this not really fearing anybody. But we know the PSG team is a much better side.
Than the one
balance. You know, Kvaratskhelia playing on that left-hand side. What a wonderful talent he is, Dembele. Arsenal beat them earlier in the season, but Kvaratskhelia wasn't there. Dembele didn't play. So, and I just like the way that PSG play incredible football. Hakim gets down that right-hand side. It's very direct. It's very difficult to pick up. So Arsenal will have to. There'll be weaknesses in this team. I think they leave themselves a little bit exposed, PSG, and Arsenal need to go after that. When you're in the home leg, Jim, I don't like the way this team, the way it's been good, that you know, if you think about Liverpool won this league, didn't they? They ended up playing PSG, who were right, you know, they just about qualified.
Right.
And they've turned their season down. Okay, yeah. I understand that, but I always feel the second leg is the most important leg, or rather this home leg was being played second, because I think there's something in that. But nonetheless, I think the way that Arsenal learnt from the Bayern Munich game last year, have taken that into this season, and they went after Real Madrid. That 3-0 was really important. When you go into the big boy stadium, the Bernabeu, it was tough. PSG will be no different for the second leg, but they have to take a lead into that.
Who are favourites going into it?
I think PSG are favourites to win it. But I think what Arsenal have done by beating Real Madrid has made the whole of Europe sit up and take notice. You win 5-1 without a so-called recognised striker. I think that's been incredible for Arsenal, what they did and they achieved in those 2 legs.
I think, like Martin, I have a feeling for Arsenal here going into this, Simon. I have a hope for them, a feeling about them.
I mean, my only reluctance is that Frank Warren's winning everything at the moment, so I'd rather him not win this as well. But I look at this and think, I'm not entirely sure why PSG would be favourites over Arsenal, besides the fact they've knocked Liverpool out and Liverpool won the Premier League. I think Arsenal have the tools to deal with PSG. I think it's difficult.
Exactly.
So it should be. The semi-finals of the Champions League.
It's a kind of 50-50 fight, this one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because PSG have been really impressive.
They've been very impressive.
They've won their own league by 20 points. They lost by...
That's a Farmers League, Jari.
Arsenal have had a nice rest coming into this.
Yeah.
To prepare. You know, it's like, it's difficult playing all these games when you've got this big game sitting in the back of your mind.
Yeah.
So they've had...
Saka's a key part of this game.
And Aston Villa have shown that you can put PSG on the ropes.
Well, I mean, that second leg, they only lost by the odd goal in the end. So, you know, you can see that they are vulnerable, but you've got to create that momentum in your stadium. And Villa had it in the second game, of course. Arsenal have to do it in the first game, Jim. So they've got to take the game to their opponent.
It's going to be one heck of an effort. But as I said to you at the start, Martin, it's doable. And I think the Arsenal fans believe.
Well, I feel like we've been on a journey, all of us, and I've had to defend the club a lot. And there's been times when you guys have been, you know, shooting at me from distance, and I've always stayed solid, always showed belief, and I'm still feeling that Arsenal could do something special this season. But it will take a monumental performance to get past PSG.
As a club, Martin, just to finish on, I'm not. This is not a swipe, but the scale of the club and what they're trying to do, it's time, isn't it? Arsenal need to show it in Europe.
There's no divine right to be successful, but you know, this is the second season in the Champions League after being 6 years away. They're learning fast, and you know, when you look at Declan Rice's, no Partey in this one, of course, but Saka and Martinelli have been alongside the manager all the way through all the different stages. They've gone through everything. They've stayed in the team together. They were the 2 players that scored, ironically, against Real Madrid. They're going to have to turn up again.
Because you guys enjoyed enormous success. But these guys have the chance to lift something significant in Europe. That's the difference.
Well, I'd love it that they could do that. The 206 team didn't quite get there. Back in the day, Wenger, that's the closest he got.
Yeah.
He faltered many times at the quarterfinal stages. They're in the semi now. You know, this is like, you've got to go for it. It's about belief. And I see no reason why Arsenal can't do it, but they have to win this first game.
If anybody it's time for, with all due respect to Arsenal, it's probably time for PSG. I mean, they've dominated their league. They've had more money than you can shake a stick at over the years. They bought every single superstar player that you can buy, with a few notable exceptions.
Yeah.
Right? And now they've gone back to a better format, which is get rid of the Mbappe problem, get rid of the Neymar challenge, get a group of players
It's the work rate
that want to play for this football club.
Barcolia as well.
Doing everybody a favour.
Yeah.
Difficult game, great game. This is what semi-finals should look like.
Absolutely, Simon.